welcome to my channel. Ta-da! So my sunset lamp has finally arrived. It has been pretty popular these days. I've seen it a lot on TikTok and on my YouTube recommendations. I've ordered it. Oh, yeah. So I ordered it from Shopee for only 165 pesos. So yeah, it is actually cheaper compared to the other lamps that I saw online. It seems like it doesn't have any instruction manual. So here's the lamp. Then these are the 5 dazzle films that will be used to change the light's color. And since it doesn't come along with the remote, I guess I have to manually open it in order to change the dazzle color. Well, according to its technical specifications, the frame of the lampshade lens is actually made up of metal, while its holder is made up of aluminum. Then here's the 150 centimeter cable with a USB plug. Then here are the available colors. So since this lamp doesn't come along with the remote, I guess I really have to manually open it in order to put or change the dazzle frame. So that's all the five colors available. And I guess this product is pretty good for its price. My only concern is it is really hard to change from one color to another since I really have to open this one just to change the dazzle tone. So I think that's all for today. And yeah, thank you for watching.
Here are some of my TikTok videos where I use the sunset lamp. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.